What's up guys, welcome to another review video, unboxing and honest review. So today we are reviewing the Rove R2-4K camera. Now this is actually made for being a dash cam for your vehicle. So we're going to go over a couple features before we unbox it, and that's starting with it captures in 4K Ultra HD video at 2160p at 24 frames per second. That is just one of the settings. Built-in Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, G sensor, 150-degree view angle, loop cycle, parking mode, emergency lock button, motion detection, time-lapse video, and SD slot, which were also, it recommended using the Samsung 128GB Evo memory card. Again guys, you can find this in my video description. We can get this from a safe seller. Something, not quite sure what that's for. Probably to tighten. Here we got the user manual. So we're going to go ahead and open up the SD card and put that in. Now I don't know, we're probably going to have to charge this. It's probably not charged yet. So we are going to have to charge it, no problem. Stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so now that we got this here, so you can see the top here, that actually slides on right in here. So it just slides on just like this. And you're good to go. Then you can mount it on your windshield, wherever you need to. So you basically like this. different spots. Flex is really good too. So it depends on how you want it. So if we have it on the windshield like this, it's gonna face out like that. You can also rotate it. This thing rotates, so if you want it to facing you to do a video, you can go ahead and rotate it. 360-degree rotation, so that's cool. Alright guys, next up. So guys, this is pretty cool. When you put your memory card in, you want to format it for the first time, but she talks to you. Watch.
Formatting is complete. Video settings.
That's so cool. You can loop record, do the resolution, and so much more with this thing.
System settings.
So this also tracks your miles per hour as well, and a whole bunch of other stuff that, I mean, it's got parking mode, it's got all kinds of different stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna get it set up here, and give me a moment. Alright guys, so I actually put mine out of the way, so it's not blocking my view anymore. So I'll put it behind the mirror, but let's see if you guys can zoom in here. So you can see it behind the mirror. Even all I have to do is basically duck my head a little bit and I can see it. Alright guys, welcome back. So I took the SD card, checked out the video quality, and it's excellent. I'm very happy. Currently I think I'm gonna run it under 1920 by 1080 because you can do it at 60 frames per second, which I think is a little better. If you do want the higher quality, you're only gonna get like 24 frames, so things are gonna be slowed down a bit. I recommend, you know, the 60 frames per second because it can pick up a lot more action with that, and it's still good high quality too at 1920 by 1080. So, all right guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys are interested in and you like vehicles, check out my car channel. Search Reve Line 89. That's REVLINE, the number 8 and the number 9 on YouTube, and you guys can see this vehicle, which I'm about to start it up for you guys. You can see this vehicle and a whole lot more. So with all that being said, I give it a 9 out of 10. Great product.